Hey guys, Bing here. Today let's do a little exercise. So we're going to model this little shop front. We're going to use curtain wall to model this, and as well as top windows. Okay, so let's start. So first, create a project, and I'll just guess a little guess of this dimension. So 900, 900, 900, 900, and 900. On each side, the brick, that's two brick, roughly 500 each side. Okay, so let's start. So WA, I'll just use double brick. Okay, so and I'll just roughly do it like this, and then I'll do a dimension tab, select the external face, and click on the wall, click on the number 5500. So, and then I'll do a curtain wall, WA. I'll start from this one and edit type, duplicate. I'll create a new one. For the new one, I'll check the automatically embed, and also curtain panel. I'll just leave it as none. Join condition. Maybe I'll pick one. Okay, so. And for vertical grid and horizontal grid, I'm going to change it to none because I want to manually place them. So OK, and then I'll just click here. I'll place it in the center. Okay, click here and type in 4500. So now sometimes your curtain will go all the way to there because it will auto join other walls. So what you can do is right click on this point, just disallow join. So and then you can just drag it back, type in 4500. So this time it won't automatic join. So if you want to make sure, you can just disallow this one as well. And then click on this curtain wall and drag this point to the external face, and then click on this number 500. So now should be the location should be correct. Let me double check. 500. Yep. So now let's go to 3D view, and so select this curtain wall. Let me guess, that's about 1 meter. That's about 900. That's about 24, and this is 3 meter high. Okay, so I'll change it to 3 meter high, and then I'm going to place some grid. Okay, so go to architecture, curtain grid. So it's just the default or segment. I'm going to place all the vertical one, 900. So you can try to get the number you want, or you can just just roughly place it there and type in the number. Sometimes it's easier to find a number, but sometimes it's easier to type in the number. So okay, so I need a 1 meter high horizontal one, another hang on, maybe I'll change it to 1 and this one I'll see. Sometimes it will Revit will automatically pick the middle line. So in this case, I want to pick the 1 meter, but Revit will snap to 950, which is a middle point of this part. So what I can do is just randomly just place it here and then typing in the number I need. Okay, so and then let me maybe 900 maybe, and then the last one I need 600. Yeah, you can type in 600. Okay, so now we need to get rid of some of the grid. Okay, so maybe all these ones, and this one and this one. Okay, so tab tab, and select this grid, and click on Add Remove Segments, and click here, and click here. Again, tab, 1, 2, 3, tab, move 1, tab, remove 1. Here, tab, remove this one, and tab, remove this one. So now we have, yeah, I think it's all good. And what we need to do is this bit here is brick wall. So what we can do is we can just delete, unpin, delete, unpin, delete, unpin, delete, unpin, delete. Tab, select this panel and change it to double brick wall. SD, shade. Yeah, I think, hang on, so color, is that right? Let me go to floor plan. Oh, this is external, so what we need to do is tab, select all the wall, make sure it's wall center, space. Let's go to 3D view. So now all the walls correct, and also this bit, wall center line, space. Okay, so now for this one, because in here, so it's a opaque solid panel. So tab, select this one, edit type, duplicate. I'll just call it solid panel. And maybe we can change, oh, this is offset, that's fine. So we can change the material, anything. I'll just change this one, and thickness maybe 75, and okay. So now that's it. And also this one, before I change the door, because currently we don't have any curtain panel door loaded, so go insert, load family. So it's on the curtain wall panel. So curtain wall panel, and then I'll just pick one, maybe this one, open, and then tab, select this panel, change it to a curtain wall. So now if you go to floor plan, so you can see it's the door now. So you can just change the direction if you want to. Go back to 3D view. I think that's it. And also, if you have some curtain wall windows, you can load it and change it here. Okay, so and the up one's very similar. So what you can do is CS, create similar, and for this one I'm going to change it to level 1, base offset, which is seal height. I'll type in 900, and I'll just use unconnect height, and let me guess 1500 height, so window height, and then I'll just I'll just do it here. Okay, so. And also, let me guess, no, that's 1.2 meter, that's 750, maybe 2.7 wide. Okay, so click on this curtain wall, topping to 700. Yeah, and then what you can do is AL, align, try tab, select this center line, so see the dash, and move to the curtain wall, and we'll go there, automatically create the opening. And also I want to the curtain wall to be centered. I'm going to go to the level 1 floor plan, click on here. I just do a dimension from both sides. Okay, so, and how do I center it? Maybe I'll do this. I can't do a center line. No, that's fine. Maybe I can do this. Do a detail line and center this detail line equal, and I'll just drag this and move this curtain wall. Okay, so now it's centered. And I'll delete this detail line, delete this dimension. So now let's go back to 3D views, and now it's very easy. Just add some grid line. So go grid line. I want 750. So sometimes, see, you can get 740, but 760, but can't. And you need to zoom in to very close, and then probably you can get that. But another way is just to roughly place it there and typing 750. Same here, 750, and then a horizontal one. So I guess that's 450 maybe. And then for this one, we can use one segment and move to here. So see, I'll just click here and typing 450. Yeah, so that's it. And then if you have that awning curtain panel window, so you can tab select this panel and change it here. But currently I don't have that one. So yeah, so that's it. So today's little exercise, just use curtain wall to create to model some existing condition. So and also here, so I'm not sure how I try to join this wall to this bit, but no. Yeah, if you know how to get rid of this line, then please let me know. Otherwise, I think that's quite good. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. See you tomorrow. Bye.